All right, folks, we have a big one here. We have the unboxing of the Afikim S4 with the Canopy, with the golf cart tires. So let's just see. I've never had one of these here, so let's just see how this is going to go. So the first thing I'm going to do, you're going to have a knife like this and probably cut the plastic off. I'm still here. Here we go. So we'll get this off, put that over there, and then we're going to cut this, cut the rope. It's already cut. So okay, and this box here is loose. So, okay. All right, so this box will come off like this. Okay, so now we got some more plastic. So far, pretty easy. Okay. So this one comes with a cover. We're going to put the cover over here. The seat right here has a handle on the side, on this side. You can pull the seat up. You can see the golf cart tires. The tiller, which is this part right here, I'm assuming this is what the handle is for here. Folks, we got to raise the tiller right here. There's a little handle right at the bottom, right on the bottom here. I'll show it to you right now. It's right here. You'll be able to see it in the video. You got to push that handle, and that brings your tiller back up. You have your rear basket here that comes off. The rear basket will go in the back. You got to have a little more plastic to take off the windshield. And now you're going to have to cut off over here. As you can see, there's a little protection there. We'll take this off. Your keys are right here, folks. So we're going to cut those off. There are the keys. So you have two sets of keys, as you can see. One for the scooter and one for the rear basket. We're going to take this protection part off of it here on this side. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put the key of the scooter inside here. We're going to turn the scooter on. and we have power. So the next thing I would do, as you can see, I'm probably going to go backward with the scooter. There's a little lever, there's a piece of plywood here. So I'm just going to pull that off. Okay, so this came off. Be careful, there's nails under here. You don't want to cut yourself. There's two pieces of plastic here, which we'll figure out in a minute what that is. So now, we should be able to back up the scooter. All right, so there's a box under here. All right, find all kinds of goodies. So under the seat, you'll find your charger, your mirrors, and your owner's manual under there. So now there's nothing left under there. So we're going to go in reverse. So I have it in reverse here. The red button says forward and reverse, and the handle over here is the throttle handle is here. So I'm going to go back slowly. Then I'm going to back it up. There we go. So we have it off. We have it completely off the pallet. What we'll do is we'll take a couple minutes here and get rid of this pallet, and we'll be right back with you. Here we've got, this is what was under the scooter earlier. So just remember, this will be on the floorboard, taped to the floorboard. This is probably the mirrors, the charger, and your owner's manual. So your owner's manual would be here, and inside of here should be your charger. There's your big charger, and the charger will plug, of course, right here. This is where you would plug your charger right there to charge it. And we have the mirrors here, and when you put the mirrors on, it's pretty simple. Take your mirror out of the bag. I don't think it really matters what side, and you have a spot on each side here to screw the mirror in. So now we'll have to turn this way if I'm going to put this mirror on first until it's all screwed in. So what you do with this mirror, you have two bolts here. See this one? So when you get it to where you want it, you can just tighten up this bottom bolt to where you want the mirror, and then bring the other one down. And tighten it up. All right, so you're going to have a right and a left fender, so they don't, this is the right fender, and you'll see if you put the fender on right, it'll match this groove right here. So if I put it over here, you can see how it matches the groove right here. It fits perfect. Under here you will have three bolts. 1, 2, 3, and the last one will be in the corner right here where my Phillips screwdriver is. 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the bolts right here you will have to put in. So you will need a 5/16 and a Phillips screwdriver to put the 4 bolts in. So we're going to put it on now, and then we'll show you when it's finished. We have the basket and we have the screws here. Be really careful with your basket when you put it on the ground. You might want to put a piece of cardboard over here so you don't scratch it. The first thing you will have to do, you're going to want to mount on these 4 screws, but you're going to want to put the seat forward so you're not fighting the seat. And when you put your basket on, the key switch goes up, okay? So you're going to open it up, You're going to match the 4 holes in the basket right here and right here to these 4 holes. You're going to use the screws they send with it, put them through here, put the bolt from the inside into the basket. Don't put them that way because it'll be hitting the seat, okay? So we're going to install this, and then we'll show you when it's done installed what it looks like. All right, this is just a recap. We've got the Afikim S4. This is the one with the golf cart tires. Most of them, you guys will not have that, but this person ordered the golf cart tires. This one's got the Canopy, so this was the unboxing. We've already got the basket, which was real easy with the 4 screws. And we showed you how to lean the seat forward if you're going to install the basket so you don't have to deal with the seat. And this one came with the Canopy. But this is the, as I said, the unboxing of the S4 Afikim power scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.